Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Not sure if everyone has seen, but the last 2 days have been pretty great for Ripple. Before it's even happened, everyone, or a lot of people rather, are already anticipating good news from Ripple's upcoming Swell event, which is at this point just around 11 or so days away. I want to say it's on the 16th. It might be on the 15th as well, but I want to say it's on the 16th, 17th, and 18th. So within the last 2 days, Ripple's price has gone up by over 14% and is currently up 10% from the last 10 hours. I think it's like 10.5 or whatever the exact number is, and is now sitting at 23 cents a coin. Still undervalued in my opinion, but that could be changing within the next few weeks. A heavy part of the trading has actually come from, once again, you guessed it, from Asia. A huge amount of the activity from Korean markets has centered around the sites Bithumb, Coin1, and Corbit. We've heard those names many times before in other videos because they're constantly always the ones to swing the markets around. So this could be because of a massive amount of increased interest in the region because of all the new locations that the Ripple teams have opened up shop, open new places, whatever you want to call it, around Asia as they're desperately trying to get into the market, which has caused a lot more people to start to know about them. I mean, we're not in Asia, so we can't really say exactly what's going on, but this seems to be part of the reason for it. And also because Swell isn't far off. And if the Ripple team actually manages to deliver some major news, like even when we first heard about Swell, the event, it was like a month or so ago, the price started going up as well. People were anticipating something. So if they actually say something major over this 3-day conference that is going to happen, and they talk about any type of integration or someone else who's backing it or whatever the case might be, we could see new record prices from the coin, and I would not be surprised. I think the all-time high for Ripple was around 40 cents. We are 17 cents away from that, give or take. If we have a good bunch of good news, there's no way that the price is going to stay down. Literally in the same exact breath, if you have been checking the charts, Bitcoin Cash is not having the best week at all. It's fallen just around 21% in price over the last couple of days. So it seems that Bitcoin Cash's decline has allowed Ripple to push its way back into the number 3 spot on CoinMarketCap once again, where it was for quite a while until Bitcoin Cash was born. There's been a major sell-off of Bitcoin Cash over the last few days for a couple of reasons. One of them being the emergency difficulty adjustment that took place on Wednesday in the network. This quote comes from Crypto Coins News. I think they're a pretty okay website, better than some of the other ones, who gave an example of why this price decline has happened so much and in such a short amount of time. And I quote, "When too few blocks are found, an emergency difficulty adjustment is triggered, making it easier for miners to find blocks and accumulate coins since most miners cash out their coins immediately. Low network difficulty periods place extra downward pressure on the Bitcoin Cash price. The increased hash rate eventually triggers another emergency difficulty adjustment that adjusts the difficulty downward to support the increased hash rate. Of course, when this happens, Bitcoin Cash mining profitability plummets and the majority of the hash rate transitions back to Bitcoin," end quote. I personally don't think that the price of Bitcoin Cash will stay down for too much longer. It is increasing in popularity a lot, and people know that there's a lot of money to be made in it. Once this readjusts and the coin becomes profitable again, you better expect a strong uptick in price. I don't think Bitcoin Cash is down. We'll see what future Bitcoin gold holds, but as of now, Bitcoin Cash I think is here to stay for at least a little while, especially as people are making these crazy profits off of the coin. Last up, we have news about Ethereum's upgrade. The first part of it, Byzantium, something that we've been talking about for a while, especially if you are into Ethereum. Everyone's been talking about this. We were originally told a September date for the entire rollout of the upgrade, but they said it would take a bit longer. Like I said, I'm glad that it did. I would rather them take a couple weeks, whatever have you, in order to get everything correct so that things don't get hacked and end up destroyed, whatever you want to call it. Just even the news from September caused a large amount of speculation and price movements, I want to say. But now it seems that we actually have a proper date for Byzantium to roll out. That will be on October 17th. They said if the hash rate stays the same and things go according to plan, it should be October 17th. And when this finally happens, we will start to see the rollout of the first two parts of the Metropolis upgrade, which is very exciting. One of the developers for Ethereum posted on Reddit that anyone running an Ethereum node with Geth, G-E-T-H, is requested to update their software to aid in the transition, telling people to update their software a week before the main net launch. Took a while, but it's finally happening. Like I said, October is going to be a very crazy month for all the coins, and it seems like we are well underway. Yeah, so there's not much news. There was a lot of news about some bankers and stuff like that, and other rich people talking about what they thought about Bitcoin. Don't really care anymore. I honestly don't. They can say what they want. We all know they're investing in it, so it's kind of pointless to even hear what they have to say. But yeah, guys, that is going to do it for this video. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon. See ya. Hey everyone, thank you very much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to help me and the channel, there are ways to do so in the description below. Thank you very much, and talk to you guys soon.